Hey everybody, it's Audrey and welcome to this bonus episode. In this video, I will take you along with me on Friday and Saturday. Typically, I like to take my days off from work on Mondays, but on this week it was Friday. There's not a lot going on. Right at the start of this video, I'm helping my son with his schoolwork for his morning schedule. On this day, I also had a haircut. I needed to dye my hair. Then I spent the rest of the day working on content until we left to run errands. Some unexpected stuff came up, so I had to make some changes to my schedule throughout my Friday, but that's totally okay. We live in a rural area, so we have to drive about 30 minutes to a larger town where we do the majority of our shopping and dining. I had planned to run all of my errands on Saturday. However, I remembered that I needed to get my daughter's comforter dry cleaned, and when I looked up the hours of my dry cleaner, I saw that I would have to go on Friday because I couldn't make the Saturday times. So in turn, I had to reschedule my Walmart grocery pickup for Friday too. I could have just made multiple trips, but I usually don't have a ton of time to waste on my days off. Now, the content you see me working on is writing scripts. I try to get all of my videos for the week done before I start my work week because I'm limited on time on weekday evenings. On this specific week, I had like 10 scripts to write, film, and get ready for posting. I'm obviously still living at my parents' while we rebuild our house, so I work in my bed. I will be spoiled once I graduate from my bed to a chair. I'll definitely appreciate the back support, that's for sure. I took my son down with me to get my hair trimmed, and then I took him by Casey's for a donut for breakfast. As we were heading back home, we noticed the concrete truck was at the house, so we drove by. We looked like legit stalkers, but oh well. When we got back home, I worked a little longer, and then I dyed my hair. While the color processed, I checked notifications and did some housework. You know me, I'm always multitasking. Once I was done processing, I showered, dried my hair, and then did some more housework. After that, you guessed it, I went back to working on content. Once I got to a stopping point, I fixed my hair and makeup. I didn't need to, but after working in your bed all day long, it's kind of a nice refresh. Plus, I also feel more put together and accomplished after I fix myself up a little bit. I obviously didn't change out of my shirt and leggings because this is basically all I own. I'm hoping to lose a little bit more weight before I buy any new clothing. And of course, living at mom and dad's, I don't have room for anything. I'm hoping by the time we move into the new house, I'll be down a couple sizes and then I'll feel more comfortable, buying a new wardrobe. So right now I'm basically just rotating from 5 different shirts and pants. I used my collapsible bag to load up the comforter and then some returns I had. I love this thing for errands. It's perfect. It folds into nothing and you can fit so much into it. While we were in town running errands, I got a prompt from Walmart saying our grocery pickup would be delayed 2 hours. We were in a rush because we had a meeting that night with my brother and his fiance to go over some wedding planning. So I ended up canceling my pickup, scratching out a quick grocery list, and then ran in and got them myself. We were back in the car within 25 minutes, I think. Who needs grocery pickup anyways, right? When we got back home from running errands, I put some of the groceries away and then we did the wedding planning. The next morning, I tidied the kitchen and I put away the produce we had bought the day before. That's all I filmed, so I actually don't remember what else I did. The only produce I needed to prep was lettuce, spinach, and fruit. I'm lazy right now, especially living at mom and dad's, and I buy the pre-cut fruit a lot of times, but the container it comes in is always sticky every single time. So I always have to move that to a different container, and then sometimes I like to make a fruit salad. My son tends to eat more fruit when I mix different kinds in together. For lettuce and spinach, just wash it, dry it all the way, and then wrap it in paper towels and stick it in a Ziploc, and it will stay fresh for weeks. After a while, once the paper towel gets moist, I just replace it with a dry one. But as long as you keep the moisture out of the lettuce, it doesn't rot. It stays good for a really long time. That evening, we took my son to my in-laws. My daughter was spending the night at a friend's house, and then Luke and I had a dinner date. And that is all I can remember from my Saturday. I hope you guys enjoyed this surprise episode. I will see you guys for next Tuesday's video. That one will be all about meal planning and grocery shopping on a budget. Who is tuning into that episode? Let me know below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like me to start posting these twice a week, please comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this.